So try doing the windows up. Okay, that's the lights on.
Yep. Brakes.
Now do the windows up. No, do them up.
They're all up.
Yeah, but you can still hit the trigger and it'll go up. Hold it up like you're... Yeah, and then stop. And lights off. It's still idling too low. It shouldn't be idling that low. Try the fan, the heater fan. That's the windows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. Green gear.
Now give it a little gas.
Oh, lights.
Lights
Windows.
off. Try everything off and then try idling it just with your foot a little. See if it'll go up a little. Just, well, not that high. Just see if it will stay at like 1100. See if you can keep it at like 1100 RPM. Like 12's too high. Like what is it like at 11?
It's 14.
Yeah.
It's 12. Windows. See?
Yeah. Okay.
There, lights on. Windows.